Welcome back, guys. It's a pleasure meeting you again. We just reached in Uganda. We decided to first come to one of the get-together place to have some lunch, and we are privileged to have the owner here. And of course you remember him. I don't know, do you remember him in the previous video we did in Tororo Rock, and then in the that place is called what?
Lions
Park, street food in Tororo. I know you remember him. I will not introduce him. He will introduce himself again for the new viewers. All right, handing over the microphone to them. Here, I am not saying anything.
And my name is Patrical. Like the other time, the way he has said, today we are in Small World Mango Tree, where the community gets together, not in a day, but daily, to do feeding, to have nyam nyam. Traditionally, nyam nyam means eating.
Yes, eating.
And one step at a time. This place is in Western Division, Tororo Municipality, in Uganda, Tororo District.
And then maybe just a brief introduction, his name and a little bit about this place.
I want to believe that Okongo can speak for himself.
Mimi nitaongea Kiswahili, naitwa Okongo. Mimi ndio na operate hii business. Sasa nimemaliza hapa mwaka kama 10. Kama mimi nasabu watu mzuri, watu nakula mzuri. Kama nataka kula pork mzuri sana ya choma, ya karanga, hapa ndio mimi iko namba moja kwa municipality. Hiyo ndio yangu.
Haya,
asante sana ndugu yangu kuja.
Asante.
Asante sana.
So now back to you, Badman Patrico. So would you guys mind, if you don't mind, you show us around, you show us here the bar, and of course the kitchen. Of course we would like to also have some roasted pork, if you don't mind.
But as he has said that he deals in pork and there is a joint, it is very important that we have a feel of the environment.
I would have liked us to start from the start.
So I want to see everything.
Everything.
Good to go. Good to go. So, in business they call it a store, and this is where the store of pork is. Beyond my description, I have no more words, but this is it, and the young man is chopping, ready for the clients. Having seen the storage,
Yes.
this is now prominently in Uganda, they call it Sheraton, where cooking preparations are done. And this is the young man handling it wonderfully well. And exactly like Okongo has said, that this is a pork joint. You see, roasted and deep fried. Choice depends on your preference, and even the pocket depth also counts a lot here. That is how things are going here in Tororo Municipality, Western Division, Okongo's joint, Small World here. You pick a wire according to your desire. Okay, fine. That is it. And interestingly, the population of the wires can go small because of the demand. Unlike Arab world where pork is not palatable, here we are good to go.
So I actually want to eat this. Where do they wash hands?
Oh yeah, quickly, and we clean our hands. It's simple. Turn on. To some communities, washing hands looks like it's a blessing. It is normal to wash hands. It is hygiene before you go and crush something small in the stomach.
I want to. Actually, let's wait for you because.
Oh no, grab here. Just a moment, I also do the same. And that is enough. I'm clean, sufficiently clean. Then the other thing that we need to know is that and it's very important, by the way, to relax once in a while in life.
Yeah.
Life is what you make it, and what you have is what belongs to you.
Exactly.
So when you bite a little bit like this, it is not a crime anywhere you go. However,
Not at all.
one has to mind hygiene. It's not a matter of picking anything anyhow and you eat. But when you wash your hands like we did at the first point, it's no crime. Have you enjoyed?
Very well.
So this thing of you running to Bungoma and Dodoma and then you want to go to Pakwati, you live, no, yeah, east or west?
Home is the best.
A good conclusion.